welcome. This is Rachna Kakkar, founder of Millennial Career Hub. I am a wife to a loving husband, a mother to a naughty teenager daughter. I am someone who believes in abundance in all areas of life. I am God-fearing and I believe a lot in spirituality as well. I am on a mission to transform lives of 10,000 millennials to get their dream job and to push them to peak of their potential. The topic that I have chosen for today is gig jobs, a very interesting topic for millennials. Now let us first understand what gig jobs are. So gig jobs are basically short-term, temporary, project-based opportunities, assignments, which are taken up as an independent worker or a consultant or a freelancer. Now this concept was very popular in the US, especially amongst youngsters, and now in the last 4 to 5 years this has picked up a really fast pace and become very popular in millennials in our country as well. Now let's understand why gig jobs are gaining so much popularity in our country, and especially amongst youngsters and millennials. First of all, it's not a 9 to 5 job. So it's basically suitable for millennials and attracting more and more millennials because it's got very flexible working hours. Even the workload is flexible. For example, in 1 month, you could take up 4 to 5 assignments in a day, and in the next month, based on your choice, you could take only 2. So there is a lot of flexibility in the working hours, in the workload, and also it provides an opportunity to work from home, which interests a lot of millennials because they are the people who would want to work as per their comfort. So what best comfort they would get than their homes. So with these gig jobs, they get an opportunity to work from home as well. Another advantage that it has is it gives a lot of diversity, because with the youngster these days, it's a general trend that they get bored with one kind of job. It becomes quite monotonous with them. But with gig jobs, they can work at the same time at multiple types of job opportunity, which is a great advantage. It's a very good opportunity for freshers to gain experience with the gig jobs, and looking into the current situation with the current COVID-19 situation, job insecurities, it also act as a passive source of income. And plus, for people who have a very creative hand, it's an opportunity for them to develop their creativity. If you look at the gig economy as a whole, so the average age of workers working in the gig economy is between 24 to 38 years, and this percentage is as high as 64%. But there of course are some disadvantages too. So the first disadvantage of working in a gig job or being a part of the gig economy is that you are paid on assignment basis. So let's say, for example, you choose a day when you don't want to work. So of course you will not get payment for that. So you don't have any paid leaves. Then you don't have any social securities like PFs, etc. So that's another disadvantage of working in the gig economy. Another one is there is a lot of competition. So of course there is survival of the fittest. So just like any other job, there are pros and cons both, and so does this. But if you want, you could always explore this opportunity. As per a recent article, a projection came that by 2025, gig jobs are going to create 25 to 30% of the Indian economy. So that's it for today's topic on gig economy. In case you have any questions or any queries, you can always comment below or you could reach out to me. I am available on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter as well as LinkedIn. So please feel free to reach out to me. But there is a special announcement for people who are action takers and who really want to transform their careers. They want to do something for themselves. So I wish to offer you a free one-on-one counseling coaching session in case you want to reach out to me for any help or assistance. So if you want to avail this free session, please send me a message on Messenger and I will connect with you. Signing off for today. Thank you. God bless.